So we're supposed to figure out how much farther Tyler ran in 10 minutes than Elena. So we know from looking at the graph, which I have to say is a little hard to read, that Tyler goes a mile in 8 1/3 minutes, and Elena, we know from her equation, travels a mile in 8.5 minutes. So I'm going to actually put both of these in decimals for now, but if we set up our relationship where we have y equals kx, this would be y equals 8.3x for Tyler, and it would be y equals 8.5x for Elena. Then if we divide both sides of our equations, well, actually, let me just back up a second. We need to know how much farther Tyler goes in 10 minutes. So instead of y, we're going to do 10 minutes, because if you look at the graph, the y-axis is time. So I'm going to rewrite this equation as 10 equals 8.3x, and for Elena, same thing for 10 minutes, but her pace is a little bit slower. Then we'll go through and solve both sides. So divide 10 by 8.3, and we get that he travels 1.2 miles. And then if we do the same thing for Elena, divide both sides by 8.5 here, we get that she travels 1.18 miles. So to figure out how much farther Tyler went, we need to subtract. So 1.2 minus 1.18 gives you 2/100 of a mile, and that's our answer.